Hello, I'm Megan Horneman, the Chief Investment Officer for Verdence Capital Advisors. We're coming to you today with our regular segment of Markets with Megan. We're going to talk about the ISM Services Report that came out today. The service report is important because the majority of the money that Americans spend on is on the service sector. This report, we look at it in two ways. From an economic standpoint, it was very strong. We had new orders jump. Employment in the service sector jumped after a pretty weak reading last month. We also saw businesses clearing that backlog of orders. This is good as far as not looking for an inventory overhang. Those backlogs of orders, they cleared them out so much. That indicator's only been lower one other time since the Great Recession in 2007 to 2009. From the inflation and the Fed standpoint, the Fed is not going to like this report. We saw the prices paid component of this jump pretty substantially, and it's the second rise for this. It's the second consecutive month that we've seen this rise. The Fed's going to look at that because they've consistently talked about sticky inflation, and service inflation has been something that is considered sticky and very difficult to keep under control. We don't think this changes anything that they do at the next meeting, which is it's September 20th, but we do think that they're going to have to take a little bit more of a hawkish stance. Now we'll wait and see what happens from the consumer price index next week, but when the Fed looks at this, they're going to see not only is the service sector kind of re-energized, but we're also seeing that inflation issue a concern for them. That's all we have today. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to reach out to podcast@verdence.com. Thank you.